We're going to go back to Berkeley County now, where they are continuing to pursue that bicyclist with the machete.
I'm not making it stable. Help. I'm part of it. I'm not making it stable.
Where's it at? The blowback?
There's nothing in it, brother. I'm not mentally stable, bro. I'm telling you. I need help. I need to see the doctor. I need to be waiting on the light to stop. That ain't all. No, I want you to stop. I know, but I want you to stop, okay? I'm not mentally stable. No, I won't. I'm not mentally stable. I need to go to the doctor. I need to go to the doctor. I can't help. I have asthma. I need my inhaler.
And we go back now to Nye County, where there was that foot chase there. Apparently a bunch of young people had some sort of incident. One of them ran, but as you saw there, they pulled a weapon from his fanny pack.
I saw the threatening call come out.
Yeah, so I went over to contact him. Said, hey, guys, stop, turn around. Said, you turn around. They said, you can't motion before you just ain't get it done. Said, hey, just sit there. He started pulling away. He started on, so I grabbed him. He started press on him.
They called it out when I came down facing. He was right there behind the bush. I just happened to see that in front of my eye. So Chase was off the line. Good style. Where did he get it? We went one way. This gentleman came out. He got out. You know, got one try right there. This should also be raw juvenile. Take a That's right. 16.
You hear it there in the background. They're just outside a rodeo. It's felt like here tonight. It has been a wild night here. We are coming back in a moment with our 8 live departments. We're still seeing a lot of activity going on Patrol Live. Back in a moment.
I don't think so. So we were finally able to get the guy. Sergeant Clark was able to cut him off to where he decided to throw the knife. Once he threw the knife, he went to the ground. We were able to put him in handcuffs, locate the knife as well. We're going to check with Somerville, see if they want to come pick him up.